student, I am Shivam sir. Welcome back to you another important video. In this video, I am telling you Aufbau rule. Aufbau is a German word which means building up. Building up means filling of orbital with electron. In the ground state of atom, orbitals are filled in increasing order of their energy. Dear student, I am telling you today Aufbau principle. So first word Aufbau. What is Aufbau? Aufbau is a German word which means building up. Now question is what is building up? Building up means filling of orbital with electron. Filling of orbital with electron. Okay, Aufbau is a German word which means building up. Building up means filling of orbital with electron. So main rule is according to Aufbau rule, in the ground state of atom, orbitals are filled in increasing order of their energy. This is the most important rule in chapter 2 structure of atom. So you have to prepare it. This rule is also known, you can with the help of this rule you can write the electronic configuration of all elements. So look here, question is what is Aufbau rule? Aufbau, Aufbau. Aufbau is a German word. German word. Aufbau is a German word which means building up. Building up. Now question is what is building up? What is building up? Building up means filling of orbitals with electrons. Filling of orbitals with electrons. Okay students, Aufbau is a German word which means building up. Building up means filling of orbital with electron. Now according to this rule, according to this rule, in the ground state of atom, in the ground state of atom, in the ground state of atom, orbitals are filled, orbitals are filled in increasing order of their energy. Their energy in the ground state of atom. In the ground state of atom. Now question is what is ground state? Lowest energy state is called ground state. In the ground state of atom, orbitals are filled in increasing order of their energy. Okay students, now I am telling you main thing related to Aufbau rule. How you can fill, I'm telling you how you can fill orbitals. So I'm telling you order of filling of orbitals. So look here, order of filling of orbitals according to Aufbau rule. Order of filling of orbitals. First you have to write 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. Okay students, you have to write 1s to 7s. After this you have to write, remove 1, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. Okay students, 7p. Remove 2 and remove 7. Now you will get 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Now remove 3D and 6D. You will get 4F, 5F. Dear student, you can learn it easily. You have to write 1s to 7s. Now question is, what is SPDF? SPDFs are subcell. Electron revolve around the nucleus in definite circular path called energy levels. Energy levels are denoted by KLMNOP or 1, 2, 3, 4. These energy levels are called cell. Cells can be further divided in a smaller part. These are called subcells. Subcell are SPDF. Funda to learn subcell is Sallu S, Paji P, Dila D, Feco F. So SPDF, okay, SPDF. Look here. You have to write 1s to 7s, and after this 2p to 7p, and remove one here from here, 3d to 6d, remove one and remove one upward and downward, 4f, 5f. Now look here. After this you have to show in this way. This is the direction of order of filling of orbitals. So you have to prepare it. This is the most important rule in structure of atom, and with the help of this rule you can write the electronic configuration of elements. This, 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 this. Now you can write electronic configuration. This is the order of filling of orbitals. Order of filling of orbitals. Order of filling of orbitals. So this is the order of filling of orbitals. You have to prepare it. First you have to fill 1s. After 1s you have to fill, look here in this way. After 1s you have to fill, look here in this way, 2s. After 2s you have to fill in this way, 2p. And after 2p you fill 3s. And after 3s you have to fill 3p. And after 3p you have to fill 4s. And this is the line. After this you have to fill 3d. And after this 4p. After this 5s. After this 4d. After this 5p. After this 6s. After this 4f. After this 5d. After this 6p. After this 7s. And after this 5f. After this 6d. And after this 7p. So the student, this is the order of filling of electrons. First you have to fill 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d. This is the order of filling of orbitals. So dear student, you have to learn and write in your notebook. Now I am telling you how you can write electronic configuration of elements. So you have to prepare it. This is the main thing. Electronic configuration, first I am telling you element number 1 to 10 how you can learn. Funda is ha hi libe bakno funny. Element number 1 to 10 funda to learn is ha hi libe bakno funny. Look here. Ha hi li ha hi li be bak no funny. Okay, ha hi libe bakno funny. 1. Okay student, this is the funda, important funda you have to prepare. Ha hi libe bakno funny. Name of these elements are ha, H for hydrogen, and look here, First you have to write 1s. So 1s and only one electron. So you have to fill 1. You have to learn, students, SPDF. These are subcell and number of electron in SPDF are 2. You have to add 2. Add 4 now. S orbital contain 2 electron. Add 4. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 4 14. These are electrons in SPDF. So 1 electron 1s1, hydrogen 2. S subcell contain maximum 2 electron. 2 electron, so you have to write electronic configuration 1s2. First you have to fill 1s2 and after this 3. First you have to fill 1s2, after this 2s1. Next beryllium, you have to write 1s2 and after this 2s2. Next 5 is boron. First you have to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Okay, count 2 plus 2 4, 4 1 5. Next 6. Beta ji, you have to write 1s2, after this 2s2, after this 2p and number of electrons 6. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. Next 7 number. You have to write first 1s2, 1s2. S orbital contain maximum 2 electron. After this next is 2s, 2s2 and after this 2p, 2p 3. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. After this 8. You have to write 1s2. After 1s2 you have to write 2s2. After this you have to write 2p 4. Check. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8. After this fluorine 9. You have to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 2 plus 2 4 5 9. After this neon 10. You have to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10. So this is the electronic configuration of element 1 to 10. Funda to learn is ha, he, li, be, buck, no, funny. Now students, I am telling you how you can write element 11 to 20. Funda is na, mag, alsi, Pascal or kakka. Na, mag, alsi, Pascal or kakka. So look here. Element number 11, na, mag, al, C, Pascal or kakka. So this is 11 to 20. You have to write sodium 11. You have to write first 1s2. S contain 2 electron maximum, P contain maximum 6 electron, D subcell contain 10 electron, F subcell contain 14 electron. You have to write first 1s2. After this you have to write 2s2. After this 2p6 and after this 3s1. Now check. 2 plus 2 4, 6 10, 1 11. Similarly you have to write 1s2. Similarly dear students, similarly same way 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12. Similarly 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p 1. Check. 2 plus 2. Look here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. 2 plus 2 4, 6 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13. And after this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. You have to write here 3p2. Count. 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 14. Next 15. 1s2 same way students. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Next 16. Same way. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. Next 17. Same way students. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. P orbital contain maximum 6 electron. Now check. 2 plus 2 4, 6 10, 12 5 17. 17 electron must be filled here. Next 18. 1s2 and filling rule is start from here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, in this way. This is the order of filling of orbitals: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 6 10, 12, 6 18. After 18, next is 19. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Look here, after 3p, next is 4s. So you have to write here 4s1, 4s1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 18, 1, 19. Next, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Now check, 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, 6, 18 to 20. This is the proper way to filling the orbitals, and this is the most important electronic configuration. From 10th standard normal electronic configuration you are writing on the basis of Bohr-Baire scheme, that is 2, 8, 18, 32. But 11th standard you have to write electronic configuration on the basis of Aufbau principle. Next student, I am telling you element number 21 to 30. Funda to write 21 to 30 is science teacher very cruel, मांगे फीस कोई नहीं कुछ जाने. Funda learn. Funda is science teacher very cruel, मांगे फीस कोई नहीं कुछ जाने. So look here, 21 to 30. Similarly, you can write the electronic configuration: 21 scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, 25 iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay students, so 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Funda is science teacher very cruel, मांगे फीस कोई नहीं कुछ जाने. Most important are here copper and chromium. These are most important. All in the last 10 years, all the time come in exam, board exam, in class 11 board exam. 21, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. Okay students, in case of scandium, in this way you have to write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. After this you have to write same way. Start 1s2 and here you have to write 3d2. After this 23. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Funda is science teacher very cruel, मांगे फीस कोई नहीं कुछ जाने. So look here, again 1s2 and same way you have to write 3d3. Chromium, this is exception case, don't follow this rule because d orbitals are half filled, means how many electron? 5 electron. And full filled means 10 electron. These are electron in d orbital. So d orbital is half filled means 5 electron, full filled means 10 electron. You have to learn it. This is exception case. These two are exception case. So you have to write 1s2 and after this you have to write 4s1, 3d5. This is the proper way. You have to write here 1s2, 2s2, same way 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. I am writing here full. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, 3d5, 18, 1, 19, 19, 5, 24. After this you have to write 1s2 and here 3d5. Next, same way, 1s2 you have to write here 3d6. Next, 1s2 you have to write here 3d7. Here 1s2 you have to write same way here 3d8. In the middle point you have to fill these words, okay, these letters. These are SPDF subcell and these are electrons. 29 electron. This is exception case, I am telling you full. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You can see same way, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. We are writing all the thing from here. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3s2 3p6 and 4d 3p6 4s1 3d10. After this zinc, last is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d10. So this is the most important funda. Science teacher very cruel, मांगे फीस कोई नहीं कुछ जाने. Student, I hope that you can understand all the point in this video. Like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, share it to your all friends. Okay students.